is fine.
Come there, all of them will be there.
Yeah.
No, no, what is happening?
Tell him about the case. Then he will take out and put in the bill.
No, they also want to tell about the
You tell
27 Chapel Road.
Yeah, yeah.
The drainage is, one pipe is broken under a building.
Yeah.
Now, these people have been suffering for so long time.
Right.
And then after that, they have gone to different people, but nobody helped them. The people used to come and pump off the sewage, and they used to wonder why it's coming every now and then. Then
Right.
finally, they told them that the pipe is broken
Yes.
under the building. So they said, you all take the responsibility of removing the cross, and then we will do it.
Yeah.
Then finally, one day this Tanveer had come over there. I don't know who had called it.
When was it?
I don't know when he came. I think when the roads were being done.
Okay, okay.
And he told them that you all take the, told Mrs. Mutello that you take the responsibility of the cross.
Yeah.
So she said, why should I take the responsibility of the cross?
Yeah.
Then she came to me. So
Yeah.
I took her to the commissioner and I got the work done. And Amol Kohli has been very helpful. He's been sending the pump to remove the sewage and all.
Yes.
But he has got all the orders passed and all that. And finally it was passed. And I said, when is the work starting? They
Yes.
said, because of the rain, because of the rain.
Yes.
Finally on the 3rd, I wanted in writing. So I went to the department again and
Yes.
Amol was not there. I spoke to Malekar and to Yadav on the phone.
Right.
And everything was confirmed. On the 4th, I went to the ward officer for a meeting. And in the presence of Tulip,
Yeah.
Tulip Falcon.
Okay, if you can just explain this point, is that what exactly are you looking at?
So now when everything is passed, on the 4th, the commissioner has given the order to start the work on the 7th. The work did not start. I went back to the commissioner and told him that the work is not starting. So then Malekar tells the commissioner that no, because Tanveer also have an opening. I said, how is Tanveer this? I went and I spoke to Tanveer. He's saying no. How do you know that the orders are passed? I said, I've got everything in writing. He is not allowing them to start because he wants them to take the responsibility of the cross when doing the work, and he wants to have an opening. So the people are suffering and the
Okay, yeah? Oh, okay, thank you.